Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther K, and if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, you are more than welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you did enjoy watching this video. So I was about to make a dinner and I thought I should show you guys how I make my potato salad. So you will need a cucumber, the English cucumber. I already chopped them up in pieces. And then you will need your mayo, whatever mayonnaise you choose to use. And then you will need onion, and then you will need salt and sugar. Okay, that's all you basically need. So let us start chopping up the onion. So what I do is I put my onions in my mayo bowl. And I put in my sugar also in my mayo bowl. And you need milk as well. I use lactose free. So let's say it really depends for how many people you are. So just a bit of salt, not really a lot. Okay. And then I put a bit of, if I had fresh cream, that's what I would have used. But I don't have fresh cream. Oh, and then olive oil. And then olive oil, whatever olive oil you use, just a bit.
Mommy.
Yeah. And then you just mix it up. I usually like putting parsley just for taste and also for decor. Sorry, Taylor. Sorry. All right.
Mommy.
Yes. Yes. You just mix it properly, nicely. The reason why I mix it in here is because it makes it easier to mix the onion. Tahila, mommy is busy. And then you just mix. Okay. Mix it. You can cut my cubes are quite big. You can really, like, it's really all up to you on how you want, on how small or how fine you want your potatoes to be diced or cut or whatever. It's really all up to you. And you can also mix the cucumber in your mayo mix with the onions. It doesn't really matter. So what I used to do is I used to make the mixture already and put it like in the fridge just so that the flavors can marry. But this time I chose to do it like this, or just because I could. Bless you. Bless you. So you can add, you guys saw that I added more mayo. That's because there was not enough. So basically I can't tell you what my measurements were because I do not know for how many people you will be serving for. I do not know how many people you'll be serving for or the size of your bowl, but that's basically it. Yep, and that is it. So this is how the potato salad looks like. Like I said, I usually like using parsley just for the taste. I'm just gonna close this up and put it in the fridge until the rest of the food is done. And by that time, all the flavors of everything I have added to it would have married. And yeah, and that's how I make my potato salad. Let me know if you tried this out. Alright, bye. Alright, so dinner is done and here's the salad. I can't wait. It tastes so good. Does it taste good, Zola? Yes. Did you taste? Wow. She says it's delicious, and I believe her because it really is. Please try it out. And yeah, so she prepared dinner today. I can't wait to taste her food. All right, bon appetit, guys.